Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix not getting WhatsApp notifications and less open app on iPhone. For this, first of all, we go to the settings of iPhone. So click on it. After clicking, settings will be open to you. Once settings open, here we will click on notifications. After clicking, a new format will be open. In this format, we will just scroll down until you find WhatsApp. Once you find WhatsApp, click on it. After clicking, a WhatsApp section will be open in front of you. Here we will see Allow Notification has been enabled and Alert section Lock Screen Notification Center and Banners Prices are enabled. And then go to here and enable the sound and badge button. After enabling, go down below and here we will click on Show Previews. After clicking, that kind of format will be open. In this format, we will just click on All Days. After clicking, it will be Always. And then we will close the WhatsApp section and also the notification center. Once it's closed, here we will just scroll down. After scrolling down, you will see a button of General. Click on it. After clicking, that kind of format will be open. In this format, we will click on Background App Refresh. After clicking, a new format will be open. Here we will just scroll down to the end. And then here we will make sure that WhatsApp has enabled. And now you will get the notification of WhatsApp. That's the way to fix not getting WhatsApp notifications and less open app on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.